Up for sale, 1967 Dodge Coronet RT. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please have a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 67 Coronet RT, finished in almost all original paint, all original metal. Long time owned in Las Vegas. Zero rust body, no Bondo, no rot underneath the car, no replacement panels. Has its original 440 in it, automatic trans, power steering, power brakes with front disc, and factory AC. Now, like I said, I'm going to go around it, point at anything I do see, which there will be a lot. We're going to fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So, of course, we will start here in the front as always. And, you know, I love original paint cars. I can't help but keep coming across them. And this one, when I saw the way the paint laid out for being almost all original, I just loved it. So, again, I'm not going to go around pointing things out. You're going to see everything. The only thing I think was repainted was the passenger door, which actually I didn't realize for the longest time because it blends in so dang well. And then I think it bled a little bit into here because you still got some of that here. But then this down and through here is original. Anyway, though, but the rest, original. They went and redid the whole interior. It's beautiful. Where do I want to begin, I guess? We'll start here. Original paint. Original paint. Original paint. No bubbles. No rot. Look at that. Look at this. No bubbles. No rot. Can you see down there, that lip there? Your original lip. Drain plugs are in place in both lower quarters. The floors are pristine. I mean, I took enough pictures, I think, to have you guys get an idea. You've got your RT only back trim here, which is actually super nice, original condition. Again, but continuing on, same deal here. When you look back, you see those. You look forward, you see those. I mean, nothing here. Obviously, the door was repainted, so there's nothing there. But again, nothing there either. Going there, nothing. Okay, I'm a little under the weather once again. I apologize. You got your original trim around here. I kind of like the dents. I think it's pretty neat. Can't confirm if they're the original bumpers. They look pretty nice. I would say they probably did redo them at some point, just maybe to bring that outside together, so it pops when you're looking at it. Get the yellow lights in there, the old school thing. Chips, scratches, nicks. Love the hood scoop. So you get the idea. Glass is mint. I guess trim is nice. Seals is nice. Look at this. I mean, you see some little specks like this around the window, but that's nothing really. There's nothing in here anywhere. You see some of that original primer. I'm a little disappointed in my mechanic. He took a sticker off the bumper, which I love stickers on old cars like this, which said Las Vegas. But I do have some paperwork for it in Las Vegas, so at least I got something. Where are we at here? And then my finger's stuck. And right over here. Again, you pop open the engine bay the way you want to see it. Original 440. AC car, power steering. It's got a new booster. It looks like a newer master cylinder as well, but it's power front disc brakes. Fender tag is in place. I took a picture of that. That'll be on the ad. And you can see all of the original paint in here. Original paint in here. Very tidy, clean. You got original clamps back there that I notice. They did do some work to the air, and we fixed the leak here. We charged it. The blower works. It blows cold. Now, for right now, it works, and works very well, actually. Things change. Maybe it leaks out in a month, and we find out it doesn't. But for right now, it works. So we're most of the way there. I would just rather be honest and just say that up front. Anyways, that was going on. Like original paint under the hood, original hood insulation. You got the original rubber here. She runs great. I'm gonna fire it up. Give me a second here. Now let me just show you the interior quickly. Get this out. Got the gold with the black. The door panels are new. The armrests are new. Cranks. They painted this beautifully. All the seats were redone. Headliner, dash pad, floor mats with the carpet. I like that. Attention to detail. Got one of the keys here. It's this one. Yep. Maybe an original key of some sort. Let's go ahead here. Fire her up. I mean, really. It's got glass packs on there, so it gets a nice little rumble. Both dome lights work on the console. The one on the headliner works. And again, look at the headliner. Look at the visor. Sail panels. I mean, this is, zoom out, really nicely done. And I made sure to take a picture of it. If I have a room in the end, I will. But like, they went and they replaced all this trim here. Beautiful. Really nice. All the way around and into the back. Around the back window as well. I'm sorry, moving the camera so much. This is all super, super nice as well. You look here, look at the original metal in the door. You see all the original paint in there as well. I think they even replaced the weather stripping, but like, look how nice that is in there. Make sure the keys, yeah, good. So, I'm not really going to spend too much time sitting here like I normally do, because you get the idea. I'll just kind of go around it quickly. And I should have just done the interior right now. You see like the line up here, you know, years of probably detailing it, buffing it. Like over there as well. Kind of neat, but then look at the glass. And I might as well. I guess I didn't show you the back seat. Grab the key real quick. You got the new carpet, you got the floor mats. Nice the sills here. Now anyway, this is just peeling paint. This is nothing. Or not peeling, like worn off paint. Clean in there. I mean, this looks like it was replaced. I took pictures of this, the seat backs. Look how clean. Unmolested package tray in the back. No speakers put in. All the gauges work. The speedometer kind of bounces. The temp gauge works off the one down there. I said the blower works. The wipers work. Horn works. I can't remember about the radio right now, but I know I have that down, written down somewhere. Console's beautiful, really. I mean, when you look at that. Anyway, we'll continue on. Excuse me. Just going through there like that. Looks like it was creased in there at some point. I mean, but this is how you want to find them. You want to find them where there's no surprises. You know what you got. Let's say you wanted to leave it the way it is, which I would recommend doing, because it's only original once. You're in a beautiful interior. Anyway, this back bumper definitely redone. No, there was a Las Vegas sticker here, like I said. The paperwork is over there. I'll go grab it when I open up the trunk. Manual. This is like part of a magazine, but there's a Coronet in there. I just got it with it. Decoding the tag. Let's take a peek at that. Radiator core check. This is. It was in Florida for a period of time back in 2009. We're going through the paperwork for the first time. Well, at least this side. Nothing important. Oh, I forgot. I got 2 build sheets. I can't wait to take a picture of that. I got 2 build sheets for the car. Shipped to Nevada, Las Vegas. There you go. That was... Is there a date on here? No. Las Vegas. Is there a date on here? No. Oh, 03. Miscellaneous receipts. Nice to have. But the build sheets, I forgot about that. That's super cool. 2 of them. They probably found those when they were redoing the interior. Anyway, put a new trunk mat in. Jack is in place. You can see the original corridors in there, the original paint, both sides. Original paint there. Nice weather stripping in here. Weather stripping here. You see an original stamping there on the quarter. Original paint in the trunk. No, a little surface, but no rot in here, which is nice to see as well. Just trying to think before I shut it. When I came back for the pictures, I realized I forgot to actually show you the trunk pan. So here, it's exactly what you want to see. Original paint, solid as a rock. Original cardboard is in here. Spare of some sort, and a tire iron. And then it's kind of locked in over there, so I'll show you as much as I can. So, well, I guess it's not that much, but there, looks the same. And yeah, we're gonna continue. I gotta come back and take pictures of the paperwork, so I'm gonna leave the trunk open. Nice hem in here as well. Weather stripping, and then you go look at the door panel. We're getting pretty lucky here. It's been really windy, so I'm able to get this done live. There you go, same deal. It's not rot, just the paint worn off. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out. '67 Coronet RT. Mostly original paint with the exception of this door I'm standing in front of. Florida and Las Vegas car. Zero rot, zero rust, all original metal. Floors are pristine. Original 440. Automatic. Power steering, power front disc brakes, which I believe disc brakes might have been an option for the year. I'm not entirely sure. And factory air with bucket seats and console. And we're gonna fire it up again, drive it, show it go up and down the road, and then hop in it and take it around the block. Thank you.
Gorgeous Survivor, man.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Yeah, suspension seems decent. Steering wheel nice and straight.
Yeah. See, the gauge stopped working.
Yeah, it's probably that line.
Yeah. Okay. Get it fixed. No problem. I meant to say that the oil pressure gauge runs off that.
Yeah.
I got confused during the video. Too much going on. Temperature gauge works, or normally they added an oil pressure gauge.
Radio door.
Okay, I figured I'd try while I'm here.
Blower motor does, huh?
Fortunately.
See.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that sticker thing.
There's nothing special. Yeah. Well, is it? I don't think so. No. Nice in the console.